I want to show you how to create Spotlight Title Reveal text effect in Premiere Pro. Go over to your Type tool and type in your text. Then go over to Essential Graphics and make whatever changes to the text that you want from the start of your text layer. Go over to Effect Controls and click on the Ellipse mask under Opacity. Now go to your preview screen and resize the mask so it's just slightly larger than your text. Click the stopwatch icon beside Mask Path. Then click on Mask 1 to reveal your mask again. Go over to your preview screen and drag your mask to the left side of your screen and change the mask feather to 100. Now, move your timeline slider ahead 3 seconds and drag your mask to the right side of your screen. To increase the speed of the animation, simply drag the right keyframe closer to the first one.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.